Hello everyone, welcome back. Here's emstinetv back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my experience about social media blackmail. You understand? So I am a victim. So I'm sharing to you my own experience, how I was threatened for my private part to be published on social media, and I will explain to you with that video. Stay tuned till the end of this video to hear what I'm going to say, so that you should be aware that if you come across such people, you know that you are going to be blackmailed. Before we go into the video, please help me and cry a shout out to Promise Child Official. She's a sister and a colleague, and also Yvette Conso. Those are the latest monetized YouTuber. So please check out on their channel. They have amazing content. You won't regret subscribing to their channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I owed you a lot. If you are new today, family, please don't hesitate to join the family by subscribing and turning on your notification. Let's move straight to the video. Okay guys, social media is another form to ruin people's life. You understand? So people have take this online business in different sectors, in different ways on social media. This is another form of online business, that is social media blackmail. So I will tell you the story how I was blackmailed, you understand, and was threatened by publishing my private part on social media. It all started when I come across a lady on Facebook. At that moment, I was not even friends with her. You know, there was no intimacy in this friendship. You understand? When we started chatting, she sent me a friend request, and I did not even answer her friend request. I will say her because at the end it was a he. Yeah, it was a he. So we chatted like for 2 months. 2 months, yeah. She sent me a friend request and I did not answer. She inboxed me directly. I will say she because when we started chatting, the personality, the monetary spirit was a she. You get me right? Was a she. Then as we were chatting every day, she was always the one writing, right? She was always the one writing. I was responding. You know, 98% of people on social media, especially Facebook, they are fake. As I believe in here, I don't trust anything on Facebook. I don't trust anything on Facebook. We chatted like for 1 month, 2 weeks. 1 month, 2 weeks. And she said, can I have your WhatsApp number? You know, I have 2 WhatsApp number. Then I gave her my WhatsApp number. That is my Cameroon WhatsApp number. We started texting. She was telling me, like, being serious, telling me her stories, telling me she needs help, she needs somebody to talk to. And then I was just like advising her not to be thinking so much. Life is not all about thinking of the past. You can leave the past and you continue. Brothers and sisters, it went 2 months. She asked if she could call on WhatsApp. I said yes, no problem, you can call. She called like 3 times on the video call, and we were still chatting. Then out of a sudden, she started behaving strange. Asking me funny questions. What are my plans? I said, I just met you on Facebook. You expect me to be talking about my life plans with you. No, I can't do that. I don't do that. I don't know you. You don't know me. We just met on Facebook. You understand? Then she said, okay, no problem. She likes the way I talk and my type of personality. I said, no problem. Thank you so much. It is God that have made it like that. We kept chatting. We keep chatting every day. I was not writing because I didn't have time to be writing. My job was so stressful. At times she would write and said, why is it that you are not writing me? I said, I don't have time to write. If you see me, I'm not writing, that means I don't have time. She said, okay, no problem. It is understood. Another day, she called and asked me, where are you? I said, where am I? I'm outside. I'm outside. She said, can I call a video? I said, no problem. During that period, it was in July. That is the peak of summer in Dubai. You understand? That was the peak of summer in Dubai. You know, places are very hot in such a way that if you are walking outdoor during that 12 o'clock, which is usually break time, you will not be able to put on your t-shirt. You just remove your t-shirt and lie and take rest under AC. Then she called and she saw me. I was sleeping on my chair and she said, can you move from there? We talk something important. I said, how? Where will I go? He said, you can go to the toilet. I said, there is no toilet around. There's no toilet around. So if you cannot talk here, I don't have anywhere to go. She closed her telephone. She noticed that at that particular hour, I'm always free. After 1 week, she called again. She has something to show me. I need to help her. I need to help her. I said, I need to help you. Yes. Okay. No problem. Call. She called the first time and saw me. I was just lying like this. I was lying like this. She said she wants to show me something. I should wait a bit. Let her move from where she was. She went in, she changed, and she was, I would say that she was tying a towel all over around her chest. I said, okay, no problem. You can show me what you want to show me. If I am able to help, I can help. She said, okay, let me move to the bathroom. Please, can you also move to the bathroom? I said, what am I going to do in the bathroom? You said you wanted to show me something. Go ahead and show me what you want to show me. If I can help, I will help. She went to the bathroom. Do you know what happened in the bathroom? She removed the towel. As she removed the towel, everything was outside. Everything was outside. She was touching down there and said, am I seeing what she's showing me? I said, how do you expect me to see your private part on camera? I'm not seeing it. She was insisting that I should look very well. I said, I'm not seeing. She said, okay, she can't hide it anymore. She want me to move to the bathroom so that we can play together. I said, playing football or basketball or tennis, what are we going to play? She said, I should move to the bathroom very fast. I said, I'm not going. I'm not interested in playing. She turned off her phone and gave me a voice note. Please, don't you ever call me. I can see you are very stubborn. I can see you don't even have wisdom. You don't have knowledge. I'm showing you something for free and you don't want to see. I said, no problem. I didn't ask for it. I deleted her number. As I deleted her number, after 2 weeks, I have forgotten. She sent me a message. Hi. I say hi. I did not even recognize that she was the one. Then she said, okay, how are you? I said, I'm fine. And you? Where are you? I said, I am at home. She said, what do you want? I said, you text me with an unknown number. You ask me what do I want. Then it was now a he. It was now a he. Then he told me I think he was a lady. It was not a lady. It was just a co. And since I am stubborn, he will show me that is how they deal with stubborn guys. So he said that is his business. He has been doing for long. He has ruined the life of many like that, and he have made many people to lose their job because of that. You know what he did? He went to that video. He was doing screen recording. I did not know. He sent me the video. He was doing screen recording. That first part we chatted. He cut it. Then when I don't know if he was the one removing his private part, he removed his private part and he cut the personality here. The person was, you could not detect that one who was he. And then he joined the video together and play it. When the video starts to play, you will see my face. When the video goes like 2 minutes, you will see somebody with half down, and you will not see the up, and you see the person playing with his private part. And you know what I told him? I told him that, he said, yes, I know you are not the one showing your private part, but that is my business. I am an expert in that business. I will show you. Okay, I will publish this on every website. I said, brother, let me tell you something. I'm not a politician. I'm not a celebrity. I am not even recognized everywhere. You post it, that is your business. She said I should not. He said I should not talk like that. What I should be thinking of now is how to negotiate with him. How much will I pay him for him not to publish the video on Facebook, on website? I said, my brother, I am a hustler. You understand? I am a hustler, and I know how difficult it is to hustle for money. So please, I don't have any money to give you. I'm not owing you anything. That was how it happens. He keeps threatening me. He keeps threatening me. Every day he will write, what have you said? I should go on and publish. I said, go on and publish. Go on and publish. Please, my advice to you out there is that you should be careful. You should be careful. I know that majority are people who knows us. Majority are people who knows us. He told me, I know you are innocent. I know what I'm showing on this video. You are not the one. I know clearly. But nobody will ever believe that you are not the one. Because the video starts with your face and finish with an unknown personality. They must conclude that you are the one. Please be careful. Be careful. Don't give chance for anybody to blackmail you on social media. That is my message to you. Just that I cannot show the video because YT will bring down what I have just recorded now. If I put the video here, I'm violating the YT rules. So thank you so much. See you in another video. Please, if you haven't watched the previous video I made on Dubai vlog, please visit and check it out. It is awesome. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Love you so much.